Okay boys, we're back at her, the MFJ 4275 MV, and tonight, well, you guessed it, we're going to try to get at that vertical board sitting down there. I got a couple capacitors on that needs to be replaced, and that's not going to be an easy little bastard to get to. So I'm thinking possibly maybe, because there's not even enough room in here to even get a siren iron to even, to get rid of, to take those out. So I'm thinking, oh, it's going to be painful. I'm going to have to somehow remove that board. And to remove that board, I'm going to have to remove this board. I'm thinking maybe is enough room, enough space that if I let the front panel drop, loosen off these 6 screws again, these guys here, will that give me enough space to, rise the board enough to get this board out. Good question, isn't it? In any case, we've got to get down there. We've got to get at those 2 caps somehow. So let me peruse this for a few minutes there and see if I can figure a way to get at this without too much dissection of this power supply. Don't that look rough? Front panel, rear panel, AC filter, input. This is the bottom plate and the board sticks up. So anyway, so my solder joints are these little buggers right here. So I'll unsolder those, and I should be able to get this board here to pop up out of it. Then I can replace those capacitors. At least that's the theory. So we have a mark here of some sort. What's this over here, boss? The hell is this? This solder, or is that burned up, or what am I looking at? What the name of what is this I'm looking at? Put a bit of light on the subject. Oh, solder. Never mind. Well, that good light. Looks like there's a big hole in the board. Okay. So anyways, yeah, back to these guys. So these ones here I got to remove. Unsolder these little buggers. And I should be able to get that board to come up out of it. Maybe. I guess we'll soon find out, won't we? Oh, the Lord Dines. Well, I got a couple capacitors here to put in there, electrolytics. And just test them on the capacitance meter there. They appear to be fine. So we're going to somehow remove this board, and then yeah, pull out those capacitors, plug the board back in there, put everything back together, turn around, and see if she explodes or not. Gotta love it, what?